Hello, you are joining with the Coffee Programmer YouTube channel. Now, we are going to start a new playlist for Android development using Android Studio Java programming. Here, to install the Android Studio, you can simply Google search Android Studio download, then download the package for your operating system, maybe Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Right now I have installed the software. You can easily install that. And to get started, we have to create a new project. I'm going to choose the first activity as empty activity here. Now we can see there are many more options available for choosing the main activity. I'm going to go up with empty activity, then clicking next. Here we have multiple options to choose the name, package name, and the path for the project. I'm going to say the project name as example. Now here the package name, this package name, otherwise package identifier, is required for the Android operating system and for the Google Play. Have you ever seen something like when you open the Google Play and share in the uh, app in Google Play, you can see the URL contain some ID, for example com dot facebook dot katakana and like that. Now you can choose your own domain here, com dot, let's say coffee programmer. Actually this is like a reverse of the domain, for example coffeeprogrammer.com. Instead here we are reversing that com.coffeeprogrammer, then your application name, this is your organization identifier maybe. Now let's say this is example app. Now we are going to save the project into a specific location. Now I'm going to open the desktop, then creating a new folder called coffee programmer. Create. Here also I'm going to create another folder called Android. Open. Okay, now in this folder this example project will be created. Right, now the language that I'm using is Java, minimum SDK. Yeah, let's keep that. Project location should not contain white space. Alright, here we are seeing some white space. We can easily replace that. Let's go ahead and open my desktop, then coffee programmer. Here we can remove this space. Okay, then I'm going to choose that folder again. Okay, I'm going to just close this. Sometimes software, it's really buggy. Let's get started again, choosing the empty activity, then here we can say example, and then here the project package name, we can say coffee programmer, then example. Okay, that's fine. Now the project path that we created earlier, desktop coffee programmer Android. Here we created the coffee programmer example, and that's finish. Okay, that's how to create the project in Android Studio.